I'm going to quickly go over a new plugin that we've just released called AF Content. This plugin allows you to order 100% unique content directly from your dashboard using the Text Broker integration. So Text Broker is a content writing service that helps connect clients like yourself with really great content writers. Now, before we dive in, if you need help at any point in time, you can always head over to our help desk to chat with our support live, or you can just email us at support@agentfire.com. So to access this plugin, you can go to the General Content tab here and down to Order Content. Now, for your first time using this plugin, it's going to ask you to authorize billing. So you would log in to your billing account here with AgentFire using your same credentials that you would use for your new client area, for instance. And this just allows us permission to bill your account when you do place an order. So once you've authorized that, you will be able to access this plugin. So at the top here, to place a new order, you would just click this button here and you would start filling out these details. So we have different things like quality level, also kind of word limits as well. So these are kind of standard, type of word limits for blog articles or other, areas of your website, like if you just need an about description written. You can indicate things like keywords for SEO purposes, select categories. So again, this is really great for blogging, and then provide some additional details for that content writer. You will see the total cost appear here, and then you can click to create that order. Once you've created that order, you will see that it will go through various stages depending on where it's at with that author, right? So, I would say allow up to 7 days for that order to be fulfilled. Once it is, you will get notified. You can go in and review that order. So you can click the View tab, read that content. And then, of course, if you have a revision request, you would just click the revision icon here to submit those notes back to the author to revise that piece of content. Now, once you have accepted and completed that order, you will be able to directly pull that into a new article if you would like. So if you click this button here, it's automatically going to bring that into your blogging tools here at AgentFire, so you can just post that article. And you can, of course, copy and paste this if you want to use it elsewhere on your website. So that's about it for this content plugin. It's very simple to use, but it's going to really help you generate that 100% unique content that search engines love. And we hope you enjoy it. Thank you.